How to view Instagram stories without them knowing. First of all, launch the Instagram application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now, to view Instagram stories without the person knowing, here is a small trick. That is the half swipe method. So for that, what you have to do is navigate to the story section at the top from your home page. Now you have to go to the profile next to the one whose story you want to see. For example, I want to view this story from this first account here at my story section. So for that, I have to head towards the next profile. So open up their story. So after you're here, what you have to do is you have to gently swipe halfway toward the story you want to view, like this. And all you have to do is view only the half of the person's story. So as you can see, I can see this account story right here. And once you're done, you can again go back and then you can close this. So this is a small trick which allows you to preview the story without being counted as a viewer. So that's the way to view someone's story without them knowing, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.